Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to bring you a short video on doing a molasses feed. Okay, I've poured a little bit of this water into this pan, and what I'm going to do is warm this water up. And then we don't want it to get to boiling, but we want it to be warm enough so that the molasses will dissolve in the water. Okay, it's starting to get warm, so okay. I first heard about this molasses feed last year from my boss at work. He really likes growing things as well. And he suggested it to me. He said that his tomatoes had doubled in size. Okay, this was warm enough that it wasn't boiling, but as you can see, it mixed up really well in this water, and we're gonna pour it back into the big jug and make sure it gets mixed in really well. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we went and picked up, we went and planted a few seeds, and now they're seedlings and they're growing like mad towards the light, and they're getting leggy. So we're gonna transplant some of the plants, but I wanted to feed the soil some molasses feed because I've heard some great things about it. Can we wait a minute and put this stuff?
Hey Dad, don't we need our trays for these?
Well, I wasn't able to get any trays, so you're gonna have to
put it in here?
Well, I would just plant each one.
How many you got?
I don't know how many plants there are.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Seth, there's a small tray. Don't get my big ones. There's a small cookie sheet out there underneath the...
I'll go get a small cookie sheet.
Beside, to the right of the stove, underneath the counter. The one that looks like trash, yeah. That's the one.
It was the one that I gave Grandpa yesterday.
Yeah.
This last Sabbath, wasn't it? Put them on here. The water would flow into here.
Yeah.
This is to keep the water from
Okay.
burning the table.
Okay.
A little bit.
You want to put
Like up to here.
Just wait.
Like,
Listen to
Top
him.
or anything
You
to
want to
work with?
put like dirt up to about here,
Yeah.
The dirt up to the tree.
and then put your
Plant
tomato plant
or any
in.
plant. And then you
and
fill.
then fill it the rest of the way with dirt. So
Or one of these over here.
you know, all of these, see the little hairs?
Yeah.
Those will turn into roots, like this.
But what
And
are they?
so if they're under the ground, then they'll do better, because they'll feed off of the dirt.
What? Oh, Dad, are these hairs right up here?
Yeah, all along the stem there's hairs. I can plant the tomato all the way up to here, and it'll still grow.
Roots up here?
It'll grow roots all the way down.
But the roots won't, but not very many roots will grow there. It won't grow
No,
as
it's
big.
not going to grow roots on top. But the little hairs
Want to be buried.
will,
Let's water them right when we're done.
we're going to with this.
Can I
Because
hold
it's
this?
special feed that I've made.
Thank you, Dad, for the
For the tomatoes and for,
this.
it looks like this could be celery.
We don't know.
But we can plant it anyway.
Stop.
Are you ready?
Okay.
I'll grab my first.
So,
Well,
you know what
gotta
you're
put some
doing,
stuff
right?
In here.
I'm not gonna put it in until you put the dirt in.
You want me to put it in?
Yeah.
You want me to put it in? Okay.
No.
Do you want to put it in? We'll put it in.
Hey, Grandpa, if you didn't put any dirt in there, it'd be that deep.
Put dirt in.
First, we
Hey, quit floating it around.
That's like one of your handfuls. Abigail, grab your first plant. Just put it.
No, I'll grab my
Oh, that's
first
really
plant.
small.
I'll grab my first.
Grab this one. Do you want this one?
I want.
I was gonna use this one, but
I would
that's
use
okay.
this.
I'll use this one.
This
Well, I'll
one.
get it to you right here. Just a minute.
I want this one.
You've
I
got
want
this, don't you? The potting mix. It's like this. Let me hold this up while you're putting the rest in.
Okay. I'll get a plant in each one of those.
I got one in mine.
I
Grandpa,
want one in
you're gonna want less dirt in this one, because this is a younger plant. I'll grab one of these for over here. There we go.
No,
They're all
plant,
filled.
plant.
Fill it like up to here with dirt.
Or up to
Up to
here.
like up to here, Grandpa.
Or up to here. No,
Less dirt for that. That's enough. You buried it. That's enough dirt, Grandpa.
Good.
Give me some.
Oh, we broke the stem.
Well, that wasn't good. We did that, huh?
More like me. Dad, we accidentally broke the stem.
Then you gotta get that one out.
Take that one out.
Put another one in.
Let's try this one,
Now wait. Pull that one out.
because it's too big.
Hey.
Wait.
No.
So I can get out of your way. Okay.
That's a taller plant. That'll grow more leaves.
Get this toward the center. Can we do that?
No, it won't, Seth.
What do you mean?
That's life. You just killed the plant.
So it's trash?
Yeah, it will be.
But when it, shouldn't we just like put it into dirt like out in the garden and stuff so the worms can feed off it?
Well, you can do that,
That would be
it might not be this moment.
You look so cute.
What?
Why do you have pickles out?
No, we had some for our supper on our sandwiches.
Look.
I need to put them away, probably.
There's another one. Grandpa, you need to fill up a little bit.
I better just sound like a Peppa Pig. Ah-ho!
Trying to fill this whole tray up.
I'll wrap my own plant.
Okay, hold on, Seth. Hold on. You got a plant here, and I'm not sure that it's... Oh, it's partly in there. You should plant this one together.
Why? Because there's the
Because
same?
I think that this is something that you're going to want to keep.
Okay, they cross-pollinate or something?
Well, I think they're companion plants.
Dad, are these two companion plants or the
This
same
is
plant?
failed.
They're
This is
all
all dry,
tomatoes.
and it
This and
makes
this are
progress.
tomatoes. But this, I don't know what that is. It looks kind of almost like a pea, but we didn't plant any peas that I know of.
I planted
Mom never wants to put
this kind of
They might be
fire pans.
like a nasturtium
This isn't cast iron.
or something different.
I think that's one of these.
Giant pan is the one.
Yeah, I believe so. So,
Do you think we could plant these two together?
Whatever.
yeah, you could probably plant them together.
Yeah.
To see if they do well together.
Yeah,
We'll do a little experiment.
okay. I'll let you.
Yeah.
But if they die, that's life, right? Grandpa, I'm putting two of them in together.
Well, that's part of life, yeah.
This one's taller, so it gets to go down deeper.
Look, it fixed complete.
Oh, good.
They could be companion
See.
plants, these two.
Grandpa is a good transplanter, I see.
That's probably because he probably transplanted some strawberries. You got some experiments?
He's got a lot of experience.
Well,